Here we have the ratio similarity assignment, number 1. If the two polygons are similar, we have them shaped there. The sum of the edges of the smaller polygon is 106. What is the sum of the edges of the larger polygon? In this case, we need to look for the linear ratio. The perimeter is given by the linear ratio. So the linear ratio is the same as the ratio of the sides. I have the sides here of 14 and 38. So the ratio is just going to be 14 over 38. You always want to reduce these fractions if possible. This reduces to 7 over 19. Now, the ratio of 7 over 19 is the ratio of the two sides. That is also equal to the ratio of the perimeters. So you can set up a proportion and say that 7 over 19 is equal to the ratio of the small over the small perimeter over the large perimeter. In this case, it says the small polygon has a perimeter of 106. That goes on top because this number is small and this number is big. So then we're looking for this one here. Then we need to cross multiply. So I'm going to get 7x is equal to 2014. Then we divide both of them by 7, and I'm going to end up with 287.71 when it's rounded to 2 decimal places. Now we need to find, it says the area of the larger polygon is 426. What is the area of the smaller polygon? To work with the area, we need to find the area ratio. To find the area ratio, we have to take the linear ratio and square it. When you square the linear ratio here, you're going to end up with 49 over 361. Because all I'm doing is I'm just squaring the 7 and squaring the 19, and that gives me my answer. Once you have the area ratio, just like we did with the linear ratio, I'm going to set up a proportion, 49 over 361. It says in the problem that the larger polygon has an area of 426. So that's what goes on bottom, and then x will go on top for the area of the smaller one. When I cross multiply, I'm going to end up with 361x is equal to, and then when you do 49 times 426, you get 20,874. Divide by 361, divide by 361, and you're going to end up with 57.82 when rounded to 2 decimal places.